Bro, what? Up. Come on.
Guys,
Give me more.
you should try with the map.
What?
I say you should try with the map better. Better for the biceps with the map. Like this.
Bro, I think I can rip.
Sorry,
What are you talking about?
this exercise for biceps much better with the map.
Yeah, keep going, keep going. What you mean, bro?
I mean with the map is much better.
It's a joke.
Can you just hold them up? Just try it. As I said, it's much better with the map because this one is not that heavy.
Blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The 30 is
Like
best.
this one.
Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling.
Much better to do like this one for the bicepsing, right? You do bicepsing like this one.
Bro, who are you?
Just try it like this for the bicepsing. Like this exactly. This one is my favorite because with the dumbbells it's not that heavy. Like like I don't know. Like
This might be my new favorite bicep. I'm not even gonna lie.
Seems like a good one.
Bro, what?
What kind of mop is that?
this is the best. This is the game changer for the arms.
Dude, you're not lying.
Yeah, appreciate guys.